Okay, so today we are going to see on the transform data tab. Why we require the transform data to do the small ETL things. ETL means extract, transform, and load. So if you want to do some changes in the transform data, then you have to go over here, the tab called home, transform data, then transform data. Okay. So small ETL things we can do on this window. So let it come. Okay, so over here we have this home tab. Okay, home, transform, add columns, and view. Very first home tab, and there is option called close, apply, and close and apply. Okay, so what that means? Close. Let's say if I come over here, I do not want to do anything, then I will simply click on the close. Okay, that three option I will explain you. So no action taken, just close it. Next, again go to transform data tab. Okay, once over here, then we have the apply. Let's say if I am removing this column, remove columns, then I will use this option, apply steps. Okay. Also, if I want to remove other columns, so I will still use this option, apply. Okay. Let's say I want to remove one more column. Okay. In this case, now I'm going to remove the name. And if you saw the name column, if I remove, it will affect to our visual. Let me show you. Name, because on the basis of this name column, we have created the visuals. Okay, now it has been removed. Okay. Okay, so once we remove, now I'm going to use the close and apply. Now see the name wherever we use, it will going to affect. Okay, so let's see. Refreshing. See, the chart has been affected. If I click on over here, see details, it will showing the issue. Something wrong with one or more fields called name. Okay, so don't worry, it's removed only in this file. Okay, and it's still stored in its memory. Okay, if you want to see again, go over here, transform data. And one more thing, it's removing on this file, not in your source data, which has been taken from the Excel file. Okay, so only in the Power BI it's happening. So we don't have Control Z option in the Power Query Editor. Okay, that you have to remember. Okay, we are having this thing, steps. Okay, we have removed the column name and the serial number. If I want to cross it, I will cross it and see this column again back. And again, if we do close and apply, then I can see that data again over here in this particular section. So let's wait and we'll check it out. See, data is back again. Okay, so that is the use of these three tabs: close, apply, close, and apply. Okay, so in the scenario which we want to play, you can go with these three options. Okay. Now next, what we have, new sources. New sources is nothing but the thing which we saw as a get data. Similar thing we have over here as a new source. Okay. Recent source we already saw. If any recent source we want to use, we can use from here. Enter data also we saw in the home tab. Data source setting also we saw, where we can observe the from where the data is coming. Okay. This is one option. Second option, you can go over here as well, source and this gear icon or the setting icon. Okay. Click on that and also you will get to know from where you are taking the data. See, one and the same thing, either over here or over here. Okay. Next, we have these manage parameters. Okay, that we are going to see later. Refresh, we already saw. Properties. What is the use of these properties? Okay, if I want to see what is this sheet one, okay, what data included, that information I want. So I will provide some message over here, and that will be displayed like a tooltip. Okay, let's say employee details. Okay, simple employee details. Okay. I click on OK, and if I hover the mouse, see it will showcase as a employee details. Okay, same over here in the advanced editor. Okay, so if you remember, we have removed this column, right? And it generated this formula. So this formula is nothing but it's storing this formula in this section, advanced editor. And this language, it is called as M code, okay, or mashup language. See, whatever activity you are going to do, it will capture at the backend by using this code, M code, okay. Next, we have this manage, okay. Manage, we have these three options, delete, duplicate, and if. Let's say if I don't want to change anything in my source data and I want to play on the other tab, so I will create the duplicate copy of it. Okay. So whatever I want to do over here, I can do easily then. Okay. So that is duplicate. Reference. Reference means over here. Okay. If I want to add the reference, I will click on this reference tab, either right click or over here on this. But in reference, what happened? I'm not able to delete this thing now. See, because it is referred by this third table. Okay. Unless and until I will delete this, then only I have a chance to delete the parent one. Okay. So that is the difference between your duplicate and the reference. Okay. Choose columns. So in choose column, the favorite one, mine is go to column. Okay. If let's say if you want to search any column, you have to do like this. Okay. And it's very irritating part, right? Let's say if I want to search age, okay, then I can go over here, go to column and just select that column which I want, age. Okay. See, so directly jump on that. So you don't need to take care about that. Okay. Choose columns. So if you want to work on any other columns, so you can do that. Let's say name and salary. If I want to work on it, I will choose that and just click on OK. See, basically what it's doing, it's reviewing the other columns. Okay. So either you can click over here or click over here, right click and remove other columns, will get the same result, or else you can go with the choose columns. Okay. And the same thing. Keep rows. Let's say if I want to see keep top two rows, so I can do that easily. See top two rows. Then again, keep bottom rows. Okay, that also I can. Okay, you can put any number. I'm just putting two. Keep range of rows. Okay, so if you want a range, let's say it start with 3 and then next 3 records like that. 3, 3 or 3, 4, whatever number. See 3, 4, 5. Okay, so you can provide range as. Then after that, we have keep duplicates. If you want to keep duplicates or the errors, you can. Okay. Opposite of it, remove. So it will remove the top rows, bottom rows, alternate rows, duplicate, blank also, error also. Okay. This everyone knows, I guess. Okay. This is ascending and the descending order. I click on this, it's already ascending. If I click on descending, then 9 will come first. Okay. So like that. Again, ascending. Same with this as well. Okay. You can do it. Let's say name. C. Okay, so that is also possible. Next, what we have split column. Okay, split column. So for that, I require one column over here. See this employee. Okay, if I use by delimiter, then we have this option, each occurrence of the delimiter, and that is dash. By default, it's took. Okay, over here we have the option of the delimiter. Okay, so if you click on each occurrence, so it will create three columns for us: IN 2020 and the employee ID. Okay. Let it complete. Okay, let me show you again this one. Split by delimiter, each occurrence by delimiter, that dash thing. Okay, now see. Country code, year, employee ID. Okay, like that. Let's say if I want to use the other option by delimiter, and over here I want leftmost delimiter. So leftmost, this one, iron, okay, from the left hand side. See, left iron is there and this two has been divided. Okay. Again, if I want to use rightmost, I will go with this by delimiter rightmost. Okay. So it will give me this employee ID at the side. Okay. Then after that, what we have by number of characters. So let's say similar thing. I want to see two characters from the left hand side. Okay. So see two. Then it's split. Okay. Same. If I want four characters from the right hand side, I will go with this by number of characters, four. Okay. So as per requirement, we have to play around it. Okay. On this option, see. Now next, what we have by position. Okay. So position also work as a similar kind of things. Let's say 0 to 2 I want. That is iron code. Then I will use position as well as an option. Okay. 0 to 2. Just click OK. See. Again, it's divided. So use the option which you require from this option, split column. Okay. By lowercase to uppercase and by uppercase to lowercase. So it doesn't mean that we are converting lower to upper or upper to lower, but we are checking over here split. So it will split it. See over here in male, we have M capital, then AL is small. So I will use this option by uppercase to lowercase. See, it has been changed. Okay. Now next, what we have, this one by digit to non-digit and non-digit to digit. So this column will work out. Okay. First we have digit, then non-digit, then again digit. So let's go with this by digit to non-digit. So digit separated, non-digit separated. Now next, non-digit to digit. Okay. So see over. It has been also separated. Okay. So this is what we have in this particular section of the home tab. Okay. Till split column. Okay. That is the one thing which we have. Okay, so we'll stop over here.